You may have noticed blackheads and dark spots on this face. The purpose of showing these is simply to let you know that if your face also has black dots or dark spots like these, there is no need to worry because there is a solution. In this video, we have explained a complete step-by-step method for cleaning and improving your skin. By following these steps, you can help reduce blackheads and dark spots and keep your skin looking cleaner. So by the starting of video you can see the face and we are starting scrubbing right now. Now we have done scrubbing and now we are just washing his face. Watch this complete video so you can know what we have done. Thanks for watching the video.
Today I use this scrub on face after cleansing face. This is a face scrub cream. I use a facial scrub on this face. See how to use scrub facial. First, shower on the face. After apply facial scrub cream. See all video how to scrubbing facial massage. Don't skip this video. This video very important for your face and for your face cleansing. This is the best cream for your face. Step number 1, soft touch scrub with finger and the water bowl for cleansing, facial massage. Today I use this scrub on face after cleansing face. कैसा चिकना हो गया नहीं लग रहा है फेस से हम्म